Hello, it is Monday. Around 3:30 is my break. Something's going on with either the camera or the computer that nothing uploads, so I'm gonna try this again. I did do this in the weekend, but clearly it did not work because my video did not upload. So if you're new here, welcome, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. I'm gonna harvest some stuff, show you what's going on in this craziness, and let me turn you around so you can see the craziness. Alright, so check it out. The jungle of garden is on my patio because we had to redo the driveway. So they already finished the driveway over the weekend, and I decided to just keep it here because every time I move the containers, the tomatoes fall. So we're just gonna leave it here and call it a day. So this is gonna be harvesting, sort of like a tour of the garden, the crazy garden, because apparently we do have stuff here, but clearly, check out the green stalk. So everything fits fine. Some stuff is like cramming clearly to other stuff, but what we're gonna do is we did move a few things so it doesn't bang into it, and so I'm gonna have enough space for harvesting. I gotta check the weather because it was raining like a mama the past couple of days. I want to grab these, so I usually grab them like this. I put them upside down in my kitchen on a piece of cardboard just so they can finish turning. I leave those, you see, they're not that bad. That one is yellow, this one is a little more red. I'm gonna grab these because they look like they're cracking. And so yes, we had to redo the driveway, and from the looks of it, it's not that bad, but I'm not gonna move my containers again. I think it's horrible. Every time I move the containers, I think we killed about, we didn't kill, but a couple of the tomato plants sort of dropped the tomato before they were done, so that made me a little sad. So I'm not sure what's going on with, I'm not sure if it's the camera, the SD card. But the videos do not want to upload, which is horrible. These look really dry. I think I'm gonna water today, even though I'm not sure if it's gonna rain. Ugh. Maybe I should water tonight. So I'm not sure if it's the SD card. I doubt it's the camera. I really do believe it's the SD cards. Check out the pineapple. Check out my sunflower and my garlic. So you see how these are cracked, even though they're not red. I'm pulling them out because I know for a fact that they're gonna drop. So before they drop, I'd rather pick them. See, that's what happens. They fall. They fall. Trying to make sure I don't miss any. And then this is what happens when it rains. They crack if you don't catch them on time. So sad because the video I had on from Saturday, I had actually we picked the cabbage that was there, but it had slugs. The whole thing had slugs in it, so I ended up tossing it because of the slugs. So that was a bust. The pepper plants are doing better after I separated them. And my ginger is actually growing. Actually, the marigold is doing better. And the video I had from Saturday, we had about 3 or 4 cucumbers. They were really big. Had a couple of beets from the front, and we also harvested all the beans that were here on the side bed. We haven't done anything with them because look at this, these need water. So we didn't do anything with the beans because I'm waiting for them to dry. So the beets, I thinned them out and I picked the ones that were really big, and that's what I had in the video. And of course now I don't have that video, but what I realize is the ones that are really big I can dig out, which gives space for the ones that are small. We have a big watermelon. Well, it's not that big. Pretty soon it'll be big. I'm getting all of these tomatoes. Close enough, no cigar. Maybe one more day. Then there's the beans. They're drying out. And then here's the beets that we literally figured we pull whatever was big enough, leave whatever's small. Which I gotta water again today. But I think I took all the big ones. The big ones. Check out the harvest. Alright guys, Thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one if this uploads. Hopefully we'll have better luck this time. I don't know.